Hi guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to install the rear bumper on a Nissan Navara NP300. As you can see, on each side there are two holes. Through them we're gonna put these bolts. It's a pretty simple way to put up and take off the rear bumper on a Nissan Navara. As you can see, these are the welded nuts on the rear bumper. You will have to squeeze those irons on the outside part of them so we can put the bolt through. So it's that easy. The bumper is up on the car. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.